Ready to finally stop hesitating when you count in Spanish? This lesson will give you rock-solid confidence. Let's master this for good. Let's begin. Cero. Cero.
0,
Uno. Uno.
1,
Dos. Dos.
2,
Tres. Tres.
3,
Cuatro. Cuatro.
4,
Cinco. Cinco.
5,
Seis. Seis.
6,
Siete. Siete.
7,
Ocho. Ocho.
8,
Nueve. Nueve.
9,
10. 10.
10,
11. 11.
11,
12. 12.
12,
Trece. Trece.
13,
14. 14.
14,
Quince. Quince.
15,
16. 16.
16,
17. 17.
17,
18. 18.
18,
19. 19.
19,
20. 20.
20,
30. 30.
30,
40. 40.
40,
50. 50.
50,
60. 60.
60,
70. 70.
70,
80. 80.
80,
90. 90.
90,
100. 100.
100,
21. 21.
21,
22. 22.
22,
23. 23.
23,
24. 24.
24,
25. 25.
25.
Fantastic work. You've just heard all the key phrases. Now it's time to lock in that knowledge. Ready to test yourself? Let's begin.
How do you say 0 in Spanish?
Cero.
How do you say 1 in Spanish?
Uno.
How do you say 2 in Spanish?
Dos.
How do you say 3 in Spanish?
Tres.
How do you say 4 in Spanish?
Cuatro. Perfect. You can now handle prices, ages, and times with ease. You've almost completed the foundation. One piece missing, the words that add color and curiosity. That's the final challenge of level 1. Click the video right here to finish the level with 1.5.